He didn't like that much. He's got that little Palmer lip, hasn't he?
Yeah, he does. He got that from Robin's people.
I guess so.
Yeah.
I have to go get my nurse a change of clothes. Your son christened her.
Yeah, I heard.
Just saw that.
Hey, are you looking at Papa? There's Papa. He's looking at Papa. Look at that, huh?
Buddy.
He is big. Play football together.
Yeah.
Cute little guy.
Okay, it happened again. It happened again. You're,
serious?
but the good thing is, since you shut up, I don't get blamed for it.
What'd you do?
They peed on her. Both of them did. I think.
Oh, yeah, well, she christened, yeah. She got christened by him, too.
He's solid.
Boy, he is.
Mm-hmm.
He's having a good time. He's
Yeah,
enjoying it.
he enjoyed
Kind
it.
of the same muscle tone as his older brother. Okay, we're gonna wrap this up here.